powerups are here. Pausing for ads.
Hello, 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 and welcome back to another live stream. How's it going, everyone? Happy Friday! It's Friday! Hello, you guys. How's it going? Hope all is good. Welcome, welcome. Exciting day. Exciting day. What's up? Really? Are you combining it? Are you combining sup with what's up? But you moved the S. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm doing well. Yeah, doing well. I did some interactive stuff at work. I'm starting to show the power of that, which is great. As I've been trying to get interactivity into virtual production for a while. And it seems I'm finally going to be able to do it. You're trying to be cool. When you try to be cool, you end up doing the opposite. No cool person tries to be cool. They're cool because they don't try to be cool. Simple as that. That's how you be cool. But yeah, you know, based. I still remember when based first started getting popular. I knew someone that was like kept using the word based. I'm like, I don't get it. Based on what? He's like, based. Based on what? And it's to this day, I cannot tell you why the word is based. To mean what it means. I don't get it. I don't know why people like to just reuse words that already exist. Make a new word. It's okay. You don't have to use the same word. If it means something different, give it a new word. That's how language works. But people like using the same words. Anyway. Hey, Kenya, welcome in. All good. All good. Hope you're doing well. Today, doing some PCG stuff. And I'm thinking of taking care of some stuff that people wanted me to do, even in the last series. Because I kept saying it's simple, but a lot of people kept asking. So I assume that means it might be basics, but enough people have been asking that I should do it. Which is, how do you swap like random pieces? Not random pieces, specific pieces with something else. So we're gonna add doors. Door setup, where I can just place something here and be like, here, let's make a door here, let's make a door here, etc. So that's gonna be our start for today. And then I want to see if I can do like a little bridge. So if you have two buildings next to each other and you want to have like a little walkway with like a gap, or like different like sizes of stuff, like you could do it. Yeah. So that's fun. Okay. And there's of course stuff that I'm figuring out. There's also the time to request anything you want for Sunday's video, because this is where we're figuring the stuff out for the video. But I think to like swap like the doors windows should be relatively easy. What I'm gonna need to do though is get ourselves a doors. I don't remember if I have doors. Oh yeah, if I make it a soft object reference, I think that fixes the thing someone said. Because if I now add something, pile, yeah, it doesn't go away. So that's cool. Okay, this is something that I've noticed, and I don't know why this happens. And it's specifically only in PCG. The comments disappear. You guys watched me add the comment blocks in the freaking last video, and yet here I am opening it, and the comment blocks are gone. I mean, why? Why do they disappear? Get your shit together, Epic. Fix your shit. I see that, but it's not that big of a deal, but it is a big deal. User mistake font? You think I went in and deleted all of these comments after I finished recording the video? You must not understand my laziness. This is the report. Oh, it's a corner. You did a BP underscore delete dash all dash blocks. You know me. Oh, that's just like me. To do that. Man, how did you know? Oh, this is the roof. So it's back. And this is corner. Okay. So, do I have doors? I don't think I have a door asset. No. Building. Door. What's a good door? What kind of door do we want? There's not really a door from this set. I mean, that's a nice looking door. Those that open and close? None of them, then. Then none of them. Oh, I wanted to do I also wanted to... No, let's do... Now, before I do this... Let me do one other thing. So... I need to scale these. That's what I want to do. I remember, I even talked about it in the last video, where we need to add offsets to scales and stuff, right? To just scale the assets. So I'm going to go into struct, add a scale. This is vector. And excuse me. Offset, there we go. Offset 0. Okay. I think it'd be default. File. Scale offset. This is not, yeah, man, soft object reference. Really, that was a great hint by someone in chat. In the comments. Yeah, welcome in. All is good. We're doing some ECG prep for the weekend, starting with scaling these things relative to each object. So what I think is I think it's gonna be pretty actually straightforward. So if I, for example, want to scale the corner pillars, I can do a transform points. Get not property. Attribute for point index. The attribute is going to be, it's just called scale, right? Scale. Scale. And the other one is going to be offset. I mean, theoretically, if I want to go to the corner pillars now, is it not for the corner pillars? Corner pillar. This should have scale and offset. Scale. Yeah. Oh, this needs to be not uniform. I always forget that it's uniform scale by default. Every damn time. Why not? Just to double check, if I was to scale this into 2 here, yeah, that's scaling. Can I do a print string here? Well, let me do it before compiling it fully. Print string. Oh my god, I'm modifying regular walls. Guys, it's Friday. It's your end of day. Will you forgive me for being so damn stupid? Look! Ta-da! God. Ta-da! Gonna get down on Friday. Okay, yeah, it's simple as that. Yep. Ooh, don't press that button. Okay. Okay. So it's literally to do the all the scale and offsets. That's all we need. Okay. Is there anything else I'm gonna need? Yeah, let me check. I'm gonna do this. I'll probably collapse it to a function, like, or a subgraph. But I'm gonna come here. Oops. I guess, yeah, I should do it here. What's the problem here? Oh, I need to do it for each. I need to do a partition. Okay, so this is actually needs to be, yeah, a partition. Okay. Scale offset or open that up. Why did I have all of this plugged in when I did this? Delete. Points need to be looped on. We just do this. Loop. Stop it. Then here, then you, then you. Hey, Terminal Vertex, welcome in. Thanks for all your awesome content. You try to click the Discord link and send invite invalid. Do exclamation mark Discord in chat. It should have said Discord invalid. Wait, what happened to my... Yeah, you're right. Hey, Black Hat, welcome in. Where is my indefinite invite? Oh no, they're all they're indefinite. Yeah, you should be able to... Where'd you click it? That's invalid. All the links are still infinite, so you should be able to come in. The exclamation mark Discord in chat if you want to get the link. Oh my god, is my bot also now? Of course not. Of course it's also... What? Yeah, should... Oh, did it change how it's done? Let me hear. Me. I'm gonna go to a random video. Copy. Check. Yeah, okay. It works. Yeah. There you go. There you go. And hold. I don't know why the command isn't working. This happens after after the thing got an update. Great. Gonna have to fix that. More things to fix. Why does updating a program break things? I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, well, here we go. So, yeah, I can change the thickness of these to get the railing back and all that. But the problem is the pivots are not set up for it. What I could do is do like 1.5 here, 2 there, and offset it. Something like that. So at least they stick out a little more, right? Compared to the others. Technically speaking, they're a little off, but this is what happens when the pivots are not consistent. Sweet karma, it seems. Karma for what? I already had like a, you know, a not great day the following day. If you're referring to what happened earlier this week. Okay, so I'll say that that's working. That's all good. Don't really need anything else here. Hello, Kool-Aid Jimmy. Welcome in. Do I remember you? You want the truth or you want me to lie? The truth? Not at all. And that's not a you thing. That's a me thing. I am so bad with names. You have to be here like a lot for a while, and then I'll remember the name. Or at least I'll register the name. That's a me thing. Tornado guy. That is very generic. I'm sorry. I'm also tired from end of the day, so but I usually am. Yeah, what's up? Sometimes he's like, hey, why is there a green sword in your name? I haven't done that yet. But why do you have a blue wrench in your name on YouTube? That's odd. No, I'm really bad about remembering things. Yeah. Okay, let's do the doors thing. So I guess go back to the bridge. Let's get a door. Door. Okay. I want me both. Yeah. I'm sorry. Let's go with this door. This seems like a fine door. Okay. Doors. Oops. You. Doors. Add entry for the doors. Okay. So what I need to do is on overlap, I need to do something else. And then needs to happen here. Am I good with collision? I mean, how do you define being good with collision? Do I know how to turn on collision and use collision? Yes. I don't know what being good with collision entails. So maybe. I can't really say for sure yes or no. You having problems with collision? What kind of problems with collision? Please be a little more specific. Thank you. Get actor data. Um, single point. All world actors by tag. Sure. It's weird the Discord link not working because every day we have new people joining. Yeah, I checked it. It's working. So I don't know where the link was that doesn't work. You have 2 collision boxes on your tree and axe. And when they collide, they call an event. What kind of event? Are you doing an overlap? Are you doing on hits? What are you doing? And if it's on hit, but so it's not calling an event? I'm confused. No, but that's not what I'm asking. Like an actor can have different here, if I just real quick, if I just make a new blueprint class and add a cube, right? This cube under collision can be blocking, can be overlapping, and can be ignoring. Calls overlap event, but is the thing set to overlap the whatever you're trying to overlap with? Or is it trying to block it? Look into the collision presets and collision settings. This is not like a quick 5 minutes, like, let me tell you the setting to use. Yep. Also, ads in progress, but I think, oh, here we go. Okay, I relaunched this. I'm gonna do a quick I'm gonna check hey good guys, can you do exclamation mark Discord in the chats while ads are going? I restarted it. I don't know if it's gonna fix it, but I restarted it while ads are going. Thank you. Nope, doesn't work. Okay, great. Yeah, I'll fix it after the stream. I appreciate a test. Yeah. Hopefully the audio thing will work now. Okay. Ads are done. So let's try. I'm just gonna use a trigger box. Or binary. Oh, it's those. I'm doing it to the right to the unique ones. Let's do the not unique ones. Okay. Right. So we have this. It's a little offset, but because the points are offset. Okay, so now we want to spawn the doors. I mean, it's just a matter of taking all this, right? Duplicating it here. And to cut it out, and now I can use another difference node to take this original and cut out this. Oh, I forgot seed. And here it's gonna be ta-da! Can't pin a message in YouTube chat, Smoch. Wait, really? If you hit the three dots on the right side, can you not pin a message? You should be able to. When I click, I can go to channel. Like if you do it on my message. Yeah, I see a pin message. Do you not see them? You should. I gave you pretty much all options. Your ocean is not working either. The end collision on the ocean. Mod help. I don't know what exclamation mod help command is supposed to do. But yeah, I don't know what collision on your ocean doesn't work means. There's literally no context for me, unfortunately, to even begin to troubleshoot anything. You can only remove check activities and can you send me a screenshot of what you see? I'm curious. Because you should be able, I would imagine you should be able to, like, time out, hide. Obviously not as a moderator, but there should be a lot of stuff for you as a mod. Send it to me in our secret chat. Yeah, cool. Door swap done. Look at that. And if we change the sizing of this, it still works. Ta-da! Hey, HexDev, welcome in. How's it going? When a player enters the ocean, it's supposed to enter swim mode, but never fires the print string. Yeah, that's not something I can just... I would go on YouTube and look up overlap events and things like that. Oh, that's so weird. You really have, like, no options. Yes, you can see channel activity. Wait, and go to channel. You don't even... Wait. Where are all your mod options? Your mod options are not even there, except remove. You can't time out, and you can't ban? Okay, I'm going to look into that as well after the stream. Why are you guys giving me work? Oh, because of your message. Does it let you pin other people's messages? Do you have pin for other messages? It's weird it's not letting you pin. Okay, so you do have all the other options except pin. Can I only I can pin? That shouldn't be. Odd. Yeah, I can't find anything just too quickly. Yeah, I'll need to look into it. Okay. So this was pretty easy. I can even put can't I? What? Oh, what the hell? Why did I need to? Interesting. Why is this one not update? Let me select this box. This one updates. The hell? Box 1 and box 2 updates. Box 3 doesn't. If I only have... No, the problem is it's up above. What's going on here? Why is this not being cut out? Wait, what? Why is the actor data not being updated? What? Wondering, do you highlight PCG level instance? Do you highlight PCG level instance data for generation? Level instance data? No. There's a tutorial on YouTube about using level instances in BCG, but I haven't made a video myself for it. Just because I just haven't needed it. But yeah, you could absolutely do it. What if I just made a... door placer with a box collision and a door tag. Is door, right? Not door? Yeah, door. Also overlap all dynamic. No. Why is it the way it is? What? So it's not updating. It's not updating live for every single one of these. That's the problem. That is odd. Why doesn't do let's do by class. Why is it the way it is? Okay, this works. That doesn't. Why is it stop doing this? Why does it stop following it? Select multiples on. Why is it? Why? I have not had this happen yet, where the get actor data refuse to do it. Now it's not doing anything. Ha ha ha. It's not a depth thing. It's just not getting it. And if I move it to the ground, it's getting it. Wait, why does it work on the ground, but it doesn't work? Oh, it's because I turned on all this overlaps. Yeah, but it doesn't work above. Still, now it stops working until I bring it down. Then it'll work, and then it'll stop working. Then it'll work, and then it'll stop working. That seems like a bug. That seems like a bug. Oh, track actors only within bounds. God damn it. Why is that on by default? God. That's why. God damn it. I'm just gonna add a trigger box. Tagger tag. Door. Stop sampling it. Look at that. I got doors everywhere. Spline, you have to click unbounded. This one, you have to click basically unbounded as well, but it's just called differently. It's to track actors only within bounds. But why is it on default? I mean, I guess it's good, but you already have must overlap self as a thing. So, yeah, okay. Cool. Got it. And this should work with various doors. So if I just made another input here. Oh yeah, there we go. Just already see. All of these are empty. Just do. There we go. Yeah, so it just picks a random one. I'm not gonna put in extra doors then. Well, that's working. Your tree chops once and stops, probably because you need to continue to doing removing from overlap and adding to overlap. You completed a different building tutorial in the past. And now that your roof video is up, you'll be going through your series. It looks cleaner and easier to reuse. Oh, absolutely it is. It is. The difference between this building series and the previous one is like night and day. Genuinely. Like, it's a really big difference in improvement. Like at this, like I would say, don't even bother with. As long as you're in 5.4, just go with the 5.4 series. Don't even bother with 5.3. I'd love your watch time and everything, but the 5.4 series is just considerably better. Okay. So what we can do now? These are working. I want to also be able to have like two buildings next to each other, and then put a walkway in between. So if I had something like this, and I want to have a walkway here, I need to line it up myself. But let's say I was happy with this. Let's make this maybe 3 tall. Right. Let's say I wanted this. And I want it to line up, so I do every third. Actually, let's do 4 and then reach. So now these line up, right? These line up. But what we have now is inside is a wall, and I want to get rid of this wall. So let's see how simple that is to do. If I did myself after this a difference node, and same thing with this, and the difference is get actor data. This is gonna be all world actors. Select multiple. Ignore self and children. By class. This is not the right. Should be. Let's BP building. Vectors only within bounds. Why is this? Parsing actor components. If I got a single point, that's not gonna work either, is it? Why is get single point not? Hey, you got a sec? I mean, you can just ask the question in chat. You have to ask if you can ask. I bet this is answered in the in part 3. In past, it can be hard to line up matching modular quixel slanted roofs, corner edges, and flat middle roof. Do you think it's dual setup? Yeah, absolutely. In part 2, I believe, is when I showed how to get everything to scale together. So everything here. This doesn't have any slanted pieces, sure, but that's fine.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Huh. That's annoying. I don't know, a good way of doing the punch out. Because I don't know a way of getting the information. What I was, yeah, I restarted this part, but the Discord thing is not working. No, that's not working. That hasn't changed. Well, poop. Yeah, the components, I guess, don't involve PCG components. I mean, what we can do is by tag hole. Single point. And let's add a trigger box. We can do it this way. Why is it still? Should be cutting out both. Odd. Oh, it's a minimum. binary. Ooh. How would I cut out one but not the other? Because of the way the points are positioned. How would I cut out one but not the other? You're probably gonna need to model some cave walls, like an old mine, something like that. How would I do that? How would I assemble it? Model cave walls. Make a lot of like rocks. And then you just take the rocks and just kind of position them, like scale them up and down and position them to kind of make the base of your wall. I do that. You can of course do it like just to make a cave through like a sculpt or something, like a ZBrush. If you want like a specific shape, I'd probably just position some rocks around, make it like a creative thing. You don't think you have an idea how to do that with organic mesh? No, you're fine. There's many ways of doing it. Like you can sculpt it, right? You can make your own like actual cave. Another way of doing it is to like assembly just through like rocks and just place them around, right? Modularly. You're just being dumb. You were thinking about a plane deformed. A deformed plane? Plane is flat. If it's deformed, it's not a cave. Cave, you probably want like a cube, like a sphere or a cube, and then you can deform from that. Yeah. So that way you have like all sides, the floor, the walls, right? And then an entrance. If you're doing something like that. Either way, yeah, you can. Tons of ways of doing it. It's just a matter of like, which one do you want to? More than anything. Yeah. Yeah, this isn't gonna work. And the other one would have a problem with this too. Poop. If this was designed with center pivots, not corner pivots, this would be easier. But it's designed with corner pivots. I guess with the offset now, it could be done with both, but poop. Okay. Fine. We won't do that. I'm just gonna think of a better way. Because I do want this, like, as an option. But need ways of removing these. I basically want to do it based on the yeah, it's gonna get real complicated. It's fine for now. Okay. If we don't do that, what else can we do? So we have now scaling and offsets, so that will fix up a lot of like holes and area and problem areas. We have the ability to put in like doors or whatever we want. One thing I've wanted to do is like put something like maybe like in the middle, like just as like a offset. But yeah, that runs the issue with the like stairs and whatever else we put inside. What thing? Oh man, I want to do like balcony, like extension. I want to do extensions. No, actually, you know what? Hold on. Go back to what we had. Could I use it for just like balcony style extensions? Why are you still cut out? There's nothing there. I don't have anything in. Odd. Why are you still the way you are? Wait, what? It's definitely this, but how? What? This is the only trigger box in the level. It's bugged. I guess I just reload the level. So if I want to have an extension, hypothetically, so I theoretically could. Oh, why is? Oh, right, that's the problem. Ran into the same problem. Where it'll just grab the side windows. Oh, these are also pushed too far. Need to add the offset there. I was thinking, like, how the hell do you? How would we? Cut it out. How's it it's grabbing this before it's getting this? What in the world? How is that possible? Oh, that's odd. Yeah, so looking at both of them. Move this over. Oh, that's so weird. How is it removing this before this? I understand this might overlap it, but then this should have been removed way before. Binary. Oh, what? Why is this no longer being tracked? What is? Just not showing up? How's the tag? Has the right tag. Detecting it. These are all the same. It's not, but that shouldn't matter. Is it because it's points? This is rotated, isn't it? 180. It's because the points are in different locations. So now okay, maybe this will work. Maybe. Okay. So this works. I'd want this though closer. So it has to be the exact same angle. And if I was to push this in, why is it grabbing that one? And then we run into other issues where we need to hide the roof. Yeah, I think this is going to be more of an advanced thing later on. To do a good setup for it. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I don't want to do a half-assed one. Okay. Okay, if we're not doing that, is there something you guys would like to see out of curiosity for Sunday besides the ability to like scale things, individual things, and place doors or whatever wherever you'd like? Hello, Big Waluigi. Welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Welcome, welcome. Sure. You gotta specify what would you like. That was a question of like, hey, what would you like to see? Not if you would like to see more. I mean, I'm trying to think like what'd be good. What are we doing? PCG stuff. Figuring out stuff for Sunday's updated video. We got the asset scaling and stuff and offsets incorporated. You have to pick one? Well, just whatever you want. What would you like to have or see? Hey, Robert, welcome in. Add something that might give us overhangs for something like a porch. That's kind of what I was trying to set up, but it's going to be a very complicated setup. Yeah, I want balconies. Like proper, like large porches or balconies. What I can do is what can we do? Trying to think of here's just to make you to make Me Devil style building, so you're not that picky. Is Me Devil like a show or anime? Huh? What is Me Devil style? Oh, medieval. One letter difference, and I misunderstand everything. One letter difference, and I misunderstand everything. Okay, let me try. Of course, yeah, it's all good. It's all good. It's a me thing. Sometimes I get it, but most times I don't. I just read it, and I'm very like literal, like Me Devil, even though it's like medieval. Clearly, it's medieval. Extra tall penthouse and special windows. Yeah, I need to figure out a good way of changing the size of a single section. Because right now, we can't do that. Add one manually rather than, I mean, yeah, you could do it with the same setup for the doors. So the problem we're running into, really, is when I try to cut off, I'll use paint. Good old paint to explain what the problem is. So right now, if you have a building, let's say like this, right? And you have another building that's attached to it. Let's say you want to put a balcony here or something else, right? You do this. Well, you need to somehow remove this wall, right? Right, you want to remove that. So you could check for things that are overlapping, but the point here is going either in this way and this way direction, or in this way and this direction. It is going in two directions. So by removing like this wall here, you also remove this wall, which obviously we don't want. So really what I need to do is somehow get the rotation of the actor and check if the rotation of the point is within range of the actor. When I do get actor data, get actor data, and I do single point. Let's do test. So cube. I'll actually keep this back because I can't see it being debugged. Test. Okay. So if I sample this, don't track only in bounds. Click multiple. What? Why is this? Actor tag test. Oh boy. Okay. Quiet, no. Why is it not working? What happened? Door works. Transform points. It's 2. Restart the engine at this point? Yeah, that might be a good idea. Okay.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Okay, well, ads are going. Let's restart it. When things stop working the way they're supposed to work, I get confused. That shouldn't happen that way. Can I not name this one? Oh, this is the doors one. Okay. Now look, restarting it works. Thanks, Robert. Sometimes it's just better to just relaunch Unreal and have it realize that it's drunk and have it behave. It's still in beta, guys. It's still in beta. You're almost 50 and your brand of fixing PCs really started there? I mean, yeah, that's... Look, there's a reason it's basically a meme at this point. Of, you have PC troubles? Have you tried turning it off and turning it back on again? There's a reason that that's a thing. So what I want to know is if I press A here and I look at our stats, we have the position information. Do I have the rotation information? If I rotate this, yes. Is it how? Wait. Yes. Yes. Okay. So what we can try doing. Let's make a new PCG graph. Remove not aligned. Okay. No, God, not. Why? Go away. I don't mean to double click you. There needs to be an option to turn that off. So we want to go in the points. And we actually want to loop in all the points. Output needs to be regular points. Normal. Yes. Required. Okay. So we want to go through every single point. We actually need two. And then we need another input. And this is going to be our cat out. And this is going to be our point. XCD coding. Yeah. Okay. So what we want to do is check that our point on Z get attribute point from index. This is going to be our rotation. Can I do rotation dot Z? Yes. Wait, why is it that? Hold on, hold on. Rotation. Why is it quaternion? Why the hell is it? Am I getting rotation here? Roll, pitch, yaw. But when I do a get attribute, I get quaternion. What the shit? Okay. How do you turn quaternion to your angles? It's not an extra value. It's converting it. So here you see it's rotation, roll, pitch, yaw, and it's the exact values here, right? So these three values are these three values. But when you do get attribute of rotation, for whatever reason, you get quaternion X, Y, Z, W, and quaternion is some other rotation thing that, for whatever reason, is the way it is. Because when you rotate, it can start overlapping. It's a thing. I'm not good at explaining that one. But what I need is rotation. Or quaternion, cast a quaternion. How do you turn quaternion angle? Their angle is equal to quad 2 Yule. What? You know when an equation is so complex that when they tell you they to do it, it doesn't make sense. Equals quat 2 Yule. Quat. What is quat? Don't know. Converts the quaternion rotation quat to the corresponding Euler angles Yule. Well, this is just a function for programming. This is not. Give me the math. Don't give me the commands and like programming. ECG quaternion to Euler. See this, if I did like dot z, it gives me this value, the z. Is it quaternion dot z? I need rotation. All I want to do is check if two things are like roughly in the right angle. I don't know how to do the math in quaternion. If I check transform, scale. Okay, if I got transform, I get transform roll. Okay, can I do transform dot rotation? What is the shit? Transform dot rotation dot roll pitch yaw. But when I do transform dot rotation here, it goes away. Can I do dot roll? Y'all. Oh, I can do it this way. We found a way. Yeah, I got to have a good night. Thank you, something. Bye. Enjoy your evening. Enjoy your Saturday. Take care. Epic has a sense of humor, at least. It's a sixth sense of humor. Really, sixth sense of humor. Okay. Yeah, let's go back to what we were doing here. So I'm getting... Okay. What I want to check is this... Not subgraph. Subtract, please. Subtract with this is less than let's say 45 degrees. If it is less, then output it. If it's not, don't output it. A few things we're going to change here. First of all, I need to get the absolute. That coding thing pops up, irritates me more than any boss in Elden Ring. Absolutely. Well, maybe the chariots. The chariots are a piece of shit. But this also needs to work on mirrored, like 180 degrees. So if it is one versus the other is less than 45, or I need it to also work for the opposite direction. I think I'm only rotating 180 degrees positive. So or it is I need to take point and subtract 180 and then check if it's what's the problem here? How is it too many data items arriving? We're fine with this. You're not fine with this? Can I just do instead of this, can I do a select node? I think we have select nodes now. So if I did a select, if this is equal, greater or equal to, this up a little bit, 180. So it will use B. Otherwise, it will use A. And if it's B, subtract this 180. If it's complaining about both scenarios, then screw it. I'll use the simpler one. Just this one. It does. I don't know why it's complaining about. Oh, I know what it's complaining about. It's because this is brought in as a subgraph. It needs to be a loop. Still complaining. It only has get attribute. Really odd. Okay, let's pretend everything's fine. That goes here. Yep. And we'll test with these points. And then I use a difference node. This is the differences. These. Binary. Okay. Okay. So yes, it is working. It is cutting him out. It is also how is it not getting these? I also need to get only the overlapping. Intersection. Intersection between this Okay. Okay. So let's not do this. We do an intersection. So now we have those 2 points. Okay. This is no longer complaining, by the way. Why no data? It has data. Oh, interesting. Why is it? It's kind of like... Do I not need to partition it? I do, right? So if I was to make this super wide and super big, why did it just stop? Too many data items are in a single point. It doesn't like so many points. Is that the problem? It's just not happy with so many points. There's not that many points. Like, we've done more points. Now it's fine. Can I do instead of intersection? Okay, what if I use a difference node twice? Right, so this removes those points. But I want the reverse of that. So now I have the reverse of that. Actually, before I do that here. If I don't have this, it's fine, right? It's fine. Let's not have this for now. Let's just do one side. Fine. So this made this like let's make this entire size. So it's only cutting out that side. If I rotate it, it's gonna only cut out that side. And then it's only gonna cut out that side. Now the interesting thing about this is it's actually removing both the interior and exterior. Oh, it's because both of them are going into here. I have both of them originally spawning from the same thing. And so... But the interesting thing is, right? Oh, I'm not rotating the walls. I'm inverting them. I'm scaling them. I'm not rotating them, so that's why it's working. Okay. That's perfect, actually. So that means what we can now do, which is pretty big, I think what I wanted originally with this, which is, let's say you have two of these. And I want in between area. Probably easiest from the top. Let's get up. Okay. So if I did this to be 90. There we go. So now we need to position this where it will not get that side. And now 270. Now how do
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
two sides of this should be gone. They're not. They're gone this. Oh, you're right. I rotated this. No ads are going, but I'll do this real quick. Hmm. What I need... Why doesn't it work? Why doesn't it work? Let me just take this. Right here. Trigger box. That doesn't work. That works. 270, this works. Okay. Yeah. I duplicated it. And did 90. Negative 90? 180? Why is... Did I not select... No, multiple. Multiple is there. It's not tracking just within. It's doing it... That's one monster of blueprint. Well, right now it's a mess because I'm doing tests, but this is really small. Most of the stuff is inside the subgraphs. It's like a really small one. Is it not actually... Wait, why is it not behaving to... Why is it not behaving now? Here. 0. 90. 180. It was working. We had it working. What happened? Hey, OB, welcome in. How's it going? Why is it just everything now? What happened? Here's all the points. The differences isn't working. It's complaining about too many points again. Alright, just figuring out why it's complaining about too many data items arriving on a single data pin. We did the attribute out. Single point on every single one of these. Restart? I mean, I can certainly try again. I can certainly try again, yeah. Your favorite quote of all time: play stupid games, win stupid prizes. But why? Why do you want to play stupid games if they're stupid? And why would you want to care about winning stupid prizes if they're stupid? That doesn't seem very smart. Yeah, this is PCG, procedural content generation. Yep. Because it's so accurate, terribly accurate. I don't know if it's always accurate. 90? No. It's not working anymore. And it's not working anymore because of this guy complaining. That's why it's not working anymore. Because it's complaining about this. Must overlap self. I don't understand the must overlap. Oh, is it must overlap? Like, I can do. That's it. Okay, hold on. Didn't do that. They're only within bounds. That's not happy with it. It wants to be overlap self. Then it's happy. And if I did that, then I change the rotation. Now it's working. But I need to overlap self. Problem with overlap self is I can't put it like up in the air because it's not overlapping itself anymore because it's only overlapping. The overlap part is the base of the spline. That's the overlap. When you see people being silly and then they fall over or some shit. I don't go outside much, so is that a normal occurrence? That people just being stupid and then falling over? That's not something that's normal in my like experience on YouTube. Oh, I don't watch those kind of videos. One thing we can try doing is I had a box. I just put it up in the air. It'll work. That is a workaround that I can do. So if I did now 0, 90, 180, that's doing only one side. 27. So what we can do is, instead of adding this box, so I remove it, it goes back. I can do instruction script. Add component. Okay, I know how to do social script. Can I do add component? Where's the add component option? I know it's late, so my brain is not functioning, but I just want to add. Oh, it's not called add component. It's called something else. That's right. They made it a different word. Crap. It doesn't. It's not a component. What do you call it? Poop. What is it called? I want to automate it with a. E5. Add components with. It's not what I want. I want a general one that I can just select a component. Can I just do add box? Yes, we can do that. Let's do that, and then we can do amount of, or just box collision count, integer, for loop, start 1. I can do this now on construction script. Now, if I was to now set this to 1, do I have a box collision here? Yes, I do. How do I select it? How do I select this box solution? Poop. It's very funny. I mean, I guess. Okay, screw it. I'm just gonna do what I did before, which is just add a box collision. Could add multiple to have, but I think 1 is fine. So that means we can try this now. We can try this now. Put this here. Now I need to box in the center there. Collision. There. Exclusion. Okay. So You're there. You're there. Where's your box collision? You're just in the ground. Yep, yep. So you're all within bounds of this. Oh, but this needs to be bigger because it needs to be. That's my work. It is overlapping it in a sense. Yeah, let's try. So that's working. It's not working on the other one because I would need to do 90. It's not working on this one. Okay, why is it not working on this one? I dropped it here. 0, 90, 180, 70. Is it complaining? It's complaining again. I don't know how to get around this. I don't understand the too many data items are on a single data pin. I only need... All of this is split up. Any data items arriving on single. This is a first where I'm having it say it's too many points. It's fine creating all these points. It's a loop. It should be able to go through all the points. Take longer if you need to. It's not like I'm telling it to do runtime. As soon as I have... It's fine with 2 right there. That's not fine. It's complaining. So unless I have multiple. What if I have like 2 really small ones? It doesn't like multiple. It really doesn't like multiple of these. What I can try doing is, if it's 90 or it's flipped the other way inside of this, is what I wanted to do originally. But it was complaining about it as soon as I did it. If I did or up the twice. It's not complaining now. Okay, maybe I can do it now. Actually, I'm just gonna do it through a select node here. Select, is this greater or equal to 179? If it is, subtract 179. Now it's complaining. Runtime quality. This only has one output. How does a branch have only one output? Oh, the runtime. That's what this is. It's not a run. It's not a branch. It allows you to have different settings or different meshes for different quality settings. That's what that means. Shit. Oh, where does this have? Hold on. Was that the problem? Don't tell me that was the problem. Just gonna undo. Give me back my other building and the old setup. Did I find the problem and it was a single node? Okay. Here. No, it wasn't a single node. Because there's no other nodes connected here. Nope. ASP45. Crazy, cool to watch me cook? Is it cool to watch me suffer? Am I enjoying, hello, the chaotical. Am I enjoying PCG? I love PCG. Except when it does crap like this, and I cannot figure out why. Oh, you know what I can do? Output targets. Oh, I know why. Branch. Can I not? Can I not specify the thing I want for output to be? I can't put a... What about... if I add this attribute... output target branch. It's also complaining. Okay, so this is not a limited to it. Hey Dad, welcome in. How's it going? If you watch me enough, you may save yourself some time. You may save yourself some. Is that wishful thinking you're going in with? Yeah. Grab the PCG and Houdini too. Really bad with procedural things, so I prefer to keep doing your job with gameplay and character programming. Hey, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. I need to understand this. Multiple source parameter detected. Attributes pane. Subtract. Output target. Input source branch. Last branch. Output. It's 5 a.m? Yeah, go to bed. Jesus Christ, go to bed. Thank you.
Pausing for ads.
It doesn't like this not being a loop. It wants both to be a loop. Okay, let's wait for the ads, and then we'll test this with both being a loop. For whatever reason. I don't need it to loop on anything. I want to loop on all the points. That's it. Yeah, I don't need to loop on the other one. But it's odd that it's still complaining on the other one. On the outside, though. But that might be because it hasn't updated yet. So... That's quite interesting. Okay. Put this in here. It's not complaining. You're just stuck. Okay. Delete. Create loop. Why are you looping it? Complaint. Data to loop on does not have the same number of entries for all pins. Yeah, that's why I didn't want to do a loop. Shit. Nope. Won't work. Won't work. Okay. Am I developing some game project or just testing with no specific project in mind? Oh, this is for Sunday's PCG tutorial video. Yeah, I make PCG tutorials for YouTube. So I was trying to figure out some stuff for Sunday's video. Yep. I'm also making game during the weekdays. But Fridays sometimes, depending if I need like more time to figure something out for PCG, I spend Fridays stream during that. That's what I'm doing today. But this thing has been a blight in my side. So it's not even the must overlap self. That's not even the problem. So I can kill that box. That's not the problem. At least that didn't solve the problem, so. And we've confirmed that this is not a problem with just like the branch node. As I do this, it complains. It's a loop. It's looping on points. Okay, well, I'm probably gonna go hit up the Unreal Source Discord as to what this error really means. I've experienced it before. I just haven't figured out what is causing it or why. But every time I've had it is because I forgot to set it to be a loop. And right now it's a loop. So yeah. Okay. I think I'm gonna call it here for the night, guys. Tomorrow's Saturday. Tomorrow I'm going to be recording and editing and all that for Sunday's video. If I figure out this by Sunday, it'll also come in that video and all that goodies. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on Sunday for some more Elden Ring and some more game dev. Some more game day. Not game dev. Game dev is back on Monday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Watching my misery. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye bye.